Jingiatai halor ke Synshar Khaddar hakishnong kitau jong kiriulum hakani ketan stelam mingi hakani ke kenti la yo ban Pynlong ye kerensan Jingiatai hakani ke nong bakselong hakabalai shibbenta da ki kenrem kilendan kamtam kiriu san perthei
Haka arpunro tarik mentau benai rempang arajar arpuwei ka Parliamentary Research and Training Institute for Democracies jong ke Lok Sabha Secretariat rengkat ke Jingiatai lang bat ketenat District Council Affairs jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya kala Pynlong ya kerensan ha State Convention Hall ha Shillong ka mat pedeng jong ke Jingiatai hakani ke sngi kalong Leadership of Local Body for Tribal Welfare in Northeastern States Haga balai shimbenta dagi laingut kiriu san perthai bakentup iu menteri sarkar jong kene jela Meghalaya uba kemi iketnat District Council Affairs uba lak ben remboi ke MLA na keseng Kongres i Dr. Amperin Lingdo baru MP barem ke Lok Sabha Rajan Gohain bat ke bladen benta kum kinong sengap ki kentup iki MDC bat ki MP na keleng ke jela.
Even before the advent of the Britishers, Meghalaya, for example, which is the state that I belong to, we already have major tribal communities of the three. We have the Khasis, the Jantias and the Garos. And below this, we have what we call a three-tier system of governance under the same, who is at the highest of that hierarchy. In order for traditional institutions to function efficiently, we have to protect them because they are the custodians of customary law, customary practice, culture, and way of life. The sixth schedule was engineered and instituted with this in focus. There was this seen need by those that drafted the Indian Constitution to protect the vibrant, diverse cultures that speak their own language, that have their own habits, that eat their own kind of food, that also have their own way of life, and that all of these should be protected for this vast nation to have its true identity of being multi-diversical.